headed up to camp beneath La Plata Peak. It's, what is it, Sunday, August 10th, I think?
Yep. 3 p.m.
Or 9th. Yeah, a little bit after 3 o'clock. About 9,000 feet. And we're going to camp tonight at about 11,000 feet.
Whew.
So,
we feel it already.
To let the truth out in the open. I know exactly what to do. We need to find something somewhere new. Let's bring this up, let's bring this up. Higher, higher. You will go far, I know you are. Fighter, fighter.
So we just woke up at our second base camp here beneath La Plata, and we had breakfast and coffee, and now we're getting ready to summit, so it's gonna be a good day. I just took my beanie off that I slept in. This is what my hair looks like. Don't forget to stretch.
Let's bring this higher.
Now when the snacks are. Ooh, some jerky, yum. We got a clementine. And most importantly, we have chocolate. Sometimes you just need some sugar.
In the end there is only light left. I got you on my shoulders. You are the one that we need. I am the one to struggle. Over the highest mountain, down to the deepest river. Let it be water fountain. Let it be sun and shiver.
We're almost there.
I know. We are getting close.
You having a snack? How high do you think we're up, Pop?
I'm going to check in a few minutes.
That was probably what we gained, like a couple hundred feet, maybe, going up that.
We're at, we may be close to 12.5.
In the end there is only light left. I got you on my shoulders. You are the one that we need. I am the one to struggle. Over the highest mountain. Let it be sun and shiver. So why don't you rest for a while? I'll be by
No, that's a false summit. I think it's behind this one. Definitely a false summit right there. We hate false summits because they make you think you're at the top, but you're not. Whew. Just did some pretty intense rock climbing. Wouldn't call it a V10 or anything, but whew. There's the real summit. That's far.
I'll be by your side.
14,336. Ooh. Okay.
This is one of the top 5 tallest mountain peaks in Colorado.